Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are making a very simple recipe called tatale. Tatale is a very popular street food in Ghana made from ripe plantain and spices. If you're new here, you are warmly welcome to my channel. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. So without wasting my time, let's begin. First off, you will need some pepper. Please, with the pepper, just adjust to your spice preference. You will also need ginger, medium-sized onion, some roasted corn flour, our palm oil to fry, and our ripe plantain. I'm using about 5 plantains. Okay, we'll go ahead to blend the ginger, onion, and pepper, then set it aside. Next, we'll peel all my plantains, which you can see it's very ripe. So I'm using my hand to do the mashing, okay? But you can use your food processor or a sanka, whichever way it's easy for you, okay? So after mashing, I'm going to go ahead to add in my blended pepper mix. I think it might be too spicy, so I added half of it because I didn't want it to be too spicy and went ahead to mix everything together. Next, we'll add in some salt to taste. This is about a tablespoon. We'll mix everything together. Then I'll add in my roasted corn flour, which is also about 4 tablespoons. So we'll combine everything together. Guys, you can also use all-purpose flour. That would also do the job for you. So I tasted it and I realized it's not too spicy at all. So I poured the rest of the pepper mix back into the mixture and mixed everything really well. To a heated pan, I'm adding in some palm oil. So tatale is a shallow fry, okay? Not deep fry. We'll allow it to heat up, then we'll start to fry, okay? So now I'm going to scoop and drop. I would like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for the love you've shown me and the support. God richly bless you. And also to my new subscribers, you are warmly welcome to this channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. God bless you. So what I did was to dip the back of the spoon into water and use it to smoothen the top of the tatale. And yeah, we'll shape it up a bit with my spatula to look pretty. Okay, I'm going to fry this until it turns golden brown on both sides. They should take about 5 to 10 minutes, okay? So 5 on both sides. Ashie tatale, ashie tatale, ashie tatale, ashie tatale, ebe tatale, ebe tatale, namobaye tatale, namobaye tatale. Okay, make sure when you're cooking, you were singing, okay? Because you cannot cook this recipe without not singing this song. All right, so you should fry this on medium-low heat, okay? Or else the whole house will fill with smoke. And also, when you are out of oil, just add more, okay? I was just trying to prevent not adding oil. But tatale eke still, enye. Okay, so our tatale is ready. I'm just going to remove it from the pan and transfer it into my plate. Guys, guess what? Someone came for the tatale because he knows I'm just gonna finish everything. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue to fry the next batch. Repeat the same process until our plantain batter is all done and we'll be ready to serve, okay? Just look at our beautiful plantain pancakes. Absolutely delicious and amazing. So if you have a ripe plantain, please don't throw it away, okay? And make this yumminess goodness. And trust me, you're gonna love it. All right. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.